welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make some lovely chicken. I've got some chicken legs that we've fried with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we made a really simple but delightful tomato sauce for it in there. Chucked it in, lid on, cook away, delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started on the chicken first. I've got chicken legs, I've got 5 of them in there. Just going to get some black pepper. So we're going to get some pepper on here and some salt. Then we're going to get to the cooker, and with a little bit of olive oil, we're going to start to cook these. Give them a great head start. And then I'll show you the other ingredients that we're going to be adding to this. Pepper's done. Salt. Cooker. Okay, so I've got my pan in there with some olive oil. We're going to drop our chicken in. And we're going to cook this for about 5 or 6 minutes. The heat that we're on is not crazy. Don't have it too high. And flip them around every minute or so. Okay, so the chicken's out. Got a nice bit of colour on that. Set that aside. And don't throw that away. We're going to cook that. What I'm actually going to do is reduce that down a little bit. It's a bit too much of the oil in there and the fat that's come from the chicken. So I'm going to sort of reduce that by 50%. And we're going to use this pan, because it's got some beautiful flavours in it, to continue making the sauce. Okay, so that chicken is set aside. Our oil's ready. Let's go look at what we've got here. So I've got a large red onion sliced, 1 can of tomatoes, few bell peppers, some whole garlic there. Chop it if you want. I like it whole in this one. Some black olives. Of course, you could be using green. These are a lovely Kalamata with a stone in. Tomato paste, 135 grams of. And here I've got 3 herbs. So you could be using one of those mixed Italian herbs. What I've got is a teaspoon of oregano, thyme, and basil in there. Let's get back to the cooker. Okay, so we're back here. Got that lovely flavoured oil. Let's get that garlic in. Let's get that onion in. Medium heat, about 3 minutes. Okay, bit more salt in there. Bit more black pepper in there. Fantastic. Let's drop those olives in. Let's drop those bell peppers in. Like I said, I'm using green. You could be using a few different colours if you like. Or think about putting some eggplant in here, some celery, some carrots, some mushrooms. You know, you can really play around with this and bulk it out, but I'm sticking with that. Now we're going to go with the dried herbs. Let's just take one more look. So I'm using equal parts, 1 teaspoon each, oregano, thyme, and dried basil. We're then going to go with that 1 can of tomatoes. I had plum ones, which I just sort of roughly crushed them. We're now going to add that tomato paste. If you wanted, a little splash of red wine or white wine could also work in this. Let's get that heat lower now. Not a simmer, just above a simmer. What we're going to do now, grab our chicken, get that on the top there. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to let that go for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add a lid low heat. Gonna let it go for about 8 to 9 minutes. Let's jump in here, because I've changed my mind. I think I'm gonna go a little bit of white wine. It's in about 8 or 9 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken legs. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's jump in and take a look. And that is fabulous. I mean, that's really, really good. Makes sense to kind of, you know, fry that chicken at the beginning, get a nice kind of colour on it. We've got a lovely sauce there. And sorry I didn't show you the white wine at the beginning, but yeah, I just sort of changed my mind. That is superb. Check that for salt. You might want to add a little bit more, up to you. But yeah, wonderful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.